Okay, so guys, I think bill date calculated fields completed few people. Okay, let's see remaining date calculated fields one by one. Okay, so let's create one custom report, guys. Calculated fields version number two. So take the all active and terminated versions. It's okay. Okay, perfect. So guys, I just created a custom report using the very limited data, company, employee ID, employee name, hire date, total annual base payment. Okay. Go to actions, calculated field maintain section, see new tab. Okay. Add a new. I think let's go only date calculated fields one by one first. Okay. I think bill date, I think few people completed and still some of the people need to be completed. Guys, please complete by end of tomorrow. Okay. I will verify the audit. And then next date constant. I think remember date constant also we discussed the previous class, correct? Next one is date difference. Date difference. RR underscore 128 underscore CF underscore date difference. Okay. So very simple guys. If you want to take the a two dates difference, okay, you can take any two dates. This two dates difference you can see years, you can see months, you can see days, hours, seconds, and minutes. Okay, we can use the date difference. Date difference. If you want to take the a two dates differences, we can use the date difference calculated. For example, you can see the workday delivered report or workday delivered concept. We can see the employee hire date, correct? But unfortunately, we don't have any particular field to store the employee number of years of service. The employee number of years of service we don't have. Then how can you get it? Each employee, how long he is working from this company? How can you get it? The number of years of service.
Hire date minus correct.
I think using the calculated field logic, the date difference is the right option. You will take the start date is the higher date, end date is the today's date. Then you will get the differences in always the experience you should talk about years or months. Years. Let it go with the years. That's what you people can think carefully, apply the logic. So can I tell you one real-time example? What exactly we used? Yeah, my company completed 25 years anniversary. My completed the 25 years. Now my management decided to give the bonus to all the people. Okay. So whoever is having a less than 5 years, whoever is having the less than 5 years of service, they are getting the 50,000 bonus. Okay. Who completed 5 years in between 10 years, 5 to 10 years in between. These people are getting 1 lakh bonus. Okay, whoever is getting the 10 years or greater than 10 years, those people are getting 2 lakhs. That's what the bonus scale has given by the CEO. Okay. Now, business requested a dear workday team. We would like to see the employee, the number of years of service in between the range. How can I get it? Okay. First, create the calculated field cost. Okay. Yeah, hire date. Huh? Today's date. Whenever you run from that particular date, what is the experience it will be? The difference you can see, yes, right? Yes. Wherever you see this checkbox, please select it. I will explain this one. Don't worry. I will explain separately this one. Return zero on error. Wherever you see this one, please select it. Always you can select this checkbox. I will explain the real time situation. Don't worry. Click on OK. See now? Done. So can I use in my report? Go to custom report and edit. Please go to next to higher date, right? Sorry. Go to calculated field for report and then that's it. Now you can run the report and see the result. You can see how long the employees are working here, correct? Go to descending order or ascending order, you can see. These employees are not even completed 1 year, correct? See, these employees are completed 1 year, correct? And these employees are completed 2 years. And these employees are 3 years. You know? Perfect. So, yeah, how you will get this in dynamically? Business would like to see the number of years of services in between I want to see, correct? 0 to 5 means 0 to less than 5. Okay, greater than or equal to 5 to less than 10. Greater than or equal to 10, correct? Perfect. How can I get it? Filter. That's what you people can think carefully, apply the conditions. Okay, go to filter. You use calculated field greater than or equal to correct or not. Take one more thing, one more time. Less than, correct? Less than, not less than or equal. Let it go with the prompt option. This is the starting prompt. This is the ending prompt. Or prompt 1, prompt 2 is also fine. See now, go to prompts. Please select the populate undefined prompts. Okay. Here you can just add the proper label description. Number of years of service experience. Okay. Okay. This looks good, right? The labels. Now you can run the report and you will get it. You are looking for 0 to 5 years. How many people are there? Correct or not? Less than 5. 0. Okay. I can see 229 people are there. All these people will get 50,000 bonus. Let's run this report one more time. Let's go to 5 years. It means 5 years exactly and less than 10 years. These people should get 124 people are there. These people should get 1 lakh bonus. Correct? Now, exact 10 years or above 10 years up to 100 years, you will get 368 members. Hope you understand. All these people should get 2 lakhs bonus. That's what you people can think logically, apply the algorithm. Hope you understand. First, understand the requirement. and think carefully which calculated field will suitable for this requirement, how you are going to apply, and how you are going to utilize this. See, first you apply the calculated field logic. Later, you can use this into filter condition as per the business dynamic data selection. Correct, Amna? Business would like to see the number of years in between selection range. Correct, Amna? It must be filter conditions. And business need to select one time. Means launch parameter should be fine. Correct, Amna? Yeah. If you apply the 0 to 5, only one filter condition will come. But business want to run multiple conditions, right? So your filter condition is changing dynamically. That's why you are able to arrange that filter conditions a prompt so that user can select the values at runtime to get the data, and we get this data they can download and map the data, applying the bonus. Okay, perfect. The next one is, I think format data also completed, right?
Yes, sir.
Increment or a decrement? Increment or decrement? Okay, increment or decrement. If you can take any particular date field, for that particular date field, you can add number of years, you can add number of months, you can add number of days. Similarly, you can subtract, you can remove, minus, subtract the years, subtract months, subtract days with help of increment or decrement. See, na? Increment or decrement of the date. Okay. See, you can take the higher date. You can take the higher date. For this particular higher date, I can add 2 years. I can add the 2 years. I can add 5 months. I can add 10 days. I can add 10 days. Please select this checkbox wherever you can. Now, what happened here? So, it will take the higher date. For the higher date, it will add the 2 years. For the higher date, it will add the 5 months. This higher date will add the 10 days. Okay. So you can take any specific date field. For that particular date field, you can add number of years or days or months. Correct. Similarly, you can subtract years or days or months. We can use the increment or decrement of date. Hello. Ah, sure. Put on class. See guys, 2000 become 2 years added, correct? And see, January added to the 5 months. It become June. 1st of January, see, first right, 10 days added left. You can add, you can off. This is for increment. Decrement means minus, that's it. You remove the 2 years, maybe you remove the 1 month, you remove the 20 days, mean like this. It will come based on the what you applied, either subtract or add. See, this 2000 become 1998. Let's just take the example. 1st of January 1998. Correct? 2 years to be less. Now you are in 1st of January 1998. Then we remove minus 1. It means 1997 December. Correct or not? 1st of 1st of December 1997 it will come. 1 month minus. Again you minus 20 days. It means that December should come to November. And then 11th November 1997. System should automatically calculate. You can include both plus and minus also in the same calculator. Maybe you are adding the 2 years minus 10 months. You can add both parallel in one particular increment. Okay? Perfect. Yeah. Can I ask one question? Anybody can speak out? Online people. I will tell you one business requirement. Which calculated field will help us? Anybody can speak out. So generally, we don't know how many people join by today, or maybe tomorrow, or day after tomorrow. We don't know, right? So there are so many job opportunities are open at company level based on the people availabilities. Once we offer, the people are coming to join. Correct or not? Yeah. So in India, we have a 6 months provision period. 6 months provision period. If you go for US, only 1 month provision period. Okay. Similarly, like we have a different country notice period. Okay, sorry, provision periods. Okay, so the provision period means initially they will check your skill set monitoring. You are really fit for the position. I think they will extend your full time opportunities until unless you are in the provision period. Okay, maybe you are employee of the company, but not officially you are a full time. They will just monitor your skill set for 6 months of time. Maybe yesterday two people joined, today three people joined. How HR know exactly this person is six months completed? We don't have any functionality to track the employee provision period this same date. No. Only we have employee joining date. And no ERP systems are not providing the provision period date to record. We don't have that field. Hope you understand? You know the country, that country is 6 months notice period, sorry, 6 months provision period. Similarly, notice period. If employee resign, India 3 months notice period. But if you go for US, only 15 days notice period. That's the government policies. But if you go to UK, 1 month notice period. How do you know? If employee resigned today, what was the employee 3 months termination date? Correct? That's the last working day. How dynamically know? There are so many people resigned or so many people are hiring. How we are dynamically calculated the employee provision period, 6th month, and employee termination date. How dynamically we can calculate it that report level. Anybody can speak out. For example, this employee go to descending order. This employee joining by 20th of November, but 6 months. When the sixth month date, we want to show the report provision period end date. How can I see the report level?
The increment and decrement
That's
date
what
will.
that's what you people can think. Okay. So go to this, remove all from higher date to 6 months. We need to correct on that. So this unit, the system should automatically calculate. That's it. That's what you people can think logically. There is no other calculated field will help us. You can try remaining all 30 calculated fields. See, when this employee provision period is ended, 23rd April, sorry, May 2025, correct or not? And this employee 20th of May 2025. Do you understand how dynamically the system is calculated? Where exactly the increment and decrement is working for us? Perfect. So generally, we created a custom report and HR wants to see the employee provision end period date. Workday doesn't have any delivered field to track the employee provision end period date. We want to dynamically calculate it based on the hire date plus 6 months. We can use the increment or decrement calculated field. Yes, we can only give the 6 months added, correct or not? Yes, we can add the 6 months for the hire date, then you will get the provision period end date. Okay? And you can apply the formula filter condition. Whoever is completed the provision period, we don't need those people here in the report. Then how can I get it? You can take the employee hire date within the 6 months. Correct or not? Once 6 months completed, we don't need that hire date. Correct or not? We can use the hire date. Okay? Should always be a today's date minus 6 months. You can take the only 6 months people it will come. Yes or no? Perfect. That's what you people can think carefully, apply the reports and show them the report to the HR team what exactly they needed. Okay. So guys, I have a call at 10 o'clock. Okay. So don't worry. I think these two calculated fields, I think another 3 to 4 calculated fields we have. A lookup date roll up and also we have the lookup value as of date. Okay. I think another 2 to 3 date calculated fields we have. We'll see tomorrow. Okay.